Good morning, student. Today I will discuss the exercise, the chapter number 8. Remember, all the answer you will write in your copy, and the question number 5, the whatever question answer is there, you will write your own self. Okay. So the first one, the exercise, page number 104, it is there. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, fill in the blanks is there. Just follow up this. Number A, it has written A dash enable you to view data from a table based on a specific creation. This answer is query. Okay. Number B, you cannot enter dash or dash value primary key field. Thus answer is null or duplicate. Okay. C number, data can be entered only in the dash view. Number C is datasheet view. Okay. Now D number, the design view has the dash and dash panes, that is field grid and field properties panes. The last one, E number, the dash key uniquely identify each record. This answer is primary key. Okay. Dear students, you will not write only this answer, you will write full sentence. Clear? You will write the full sentence, you will give after that underline. Okay. Now it's coming to the second questions, that is true false. This one also you will write full TRUE, true. Don't write only T and F. Okay. First questions. In primary key field, you can enter duplicate value. That is obviously false. Okay. Second one, you can run a query only once. That is false. C number, there are two parts of the design view. Yes, true. Okay, you know that one, just fill in the blanks I discussed. Number D, you can create query in two ways. This also correct. So this one also true. Auto number value in values are increment by 2. That is also false. Also okay. The text field is now called as short text in MS Access 2013. This is true. Okay. Now coming the next questions, the match the following. Remember, I have written the straight match. You also follow up this one. Don't write the number and don't draw the line. You'll write the straight match. First one is A number has given height. It will be invisible. Okay. Second, fridge. It will be leftmost column. Okay. Now C, query. It will be question. Okay. Primary key, that is unique. Remember, primary key, that is unique value. So it will be unique. At the last is coming that fields tab. It will be table tools. You know the tables tools, whatever one part we write, that name is field tab. Okay. So these were the match the following. I have written that's one statement. So you will also write the statement. Once again I said. Okay, next is coming the choose the correct options. Remember students, you will write the full questions and which is the correct answer, that one you will write. Don't write all the options and don't write only answers. You will write the sentence and which is the correct one. Number 1, what method can you use to add a new table or database? We cannot use design view create table. We cannot enter data directly by using a datasheet. So these both are wrong. So none of these. Okay, remember this new table has been told. B number, to extract some data from a multiple table, you can use this one query. Okay, multiple table relation whenever you will do from table we can search it. Query we can search it from the table. Okay. The short text has maximum limit or for dash character 250 characters. You filled panel, you will go and see the 255 characters. We can type it. A primary key can have dash value. Just now only you see primary key always the one value is there. Primary key it has only unique value. Okay. Last one is coming. The dash dialog box opens while creating a query and design view. That is show table. Okay, show table dialog box. So these were the questions with their answers I have given. Question number 5, you will follow my videos and follow the book. You will find the answers. You will write your answers. Okay. So my dear students, I have explained of this thing. You will practice yourself. Okay. You will write in your copy. You will write and you practice in your home. Okay. Bye.